Think of it like this: you help a dentist auto-reply to appointment requests or a restaurant respond to Google reviews using AI tools. You set it up once and they pay you every month. Want to earn online in 2025 without dropshipping, affiliate links, or content creation? In this video, I will show you how to sell AI-powered microservices to local businesses and get paid monthly for simple automations. What are AI microservices? Small, focused automations powered by AI, ChatGPT, Zapier, Make.com. Examples: auto reply to emails or DMs, review response generator, weekly newsletter drafts, FAQ bots for websites, no coding needed, just templates and integrations. Why it works in the US? 90% of US small businesses lack automation. They are overwhelmed by admin tasks and customer communication. AI tools are cheap, but they don't know how to use them. You become their plug-and-play solution. Step-by-step setup. Pick a niche: salons, clinics, realtors, etc. Identify one pain point, e.g. slow replies. Build a solution. Using ChatGPT plus Zapier, offer it as a monthly service, $99 to $499 per month. Upsell additional automations later. Earnings potential: 10 clients at $199 per month equals $1,990 per month. No inventory, no shipping, no ads. Scale with templates and virtual assistants. Like, share, and subscribe. This is the future of online income.